I've got all the equipment today and I'm going to show you how they test for sleep apnea and snoring. This is the equipment. This is the machine. It's pre-programmed with my data. I don't have to do anything to it. This goes onto a finger. You have to have a finger sticking out the top and you tape it to yourself. This just stays by your side. These two straps are connected here. The yellow one goes above your belly button and this goes underneath your armpits. And this goes up your nose to determine the nasal airflow pressure. I've tried everything. I've tried nose rings. I've tried the lot. I've been waiting for ages. This goes into here. Mouth tape is the only thing that's given me relief. I don't wake up tired. I feel more refreshed. I'll leave a link down below and hopefully they'll help you too.